Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the power and volume button flex on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen display from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Carefully insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Be gentle in this process. Some tablets might need extra heating. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty power inflex from the device. To access the power inflex, first remove the logic board. Remove the rear camera bracket by undoing 5 screws. And then disconnect and remove the rear camera. Next, remove the front camera bracket by undoing the 6 screws. And then disconnect and remove the front camera. Next, undo the lower bracket screw and disconnect the left side main flex connector. Next, disconnect the keyboard flex connector and the top speaker connector. And then remove the two screws securing the logic board. Next, Carefully free the antenna cables and gently lift the logic board away from the body. Next, remove the not working power flex cable from the side of the frame. If needed, apply some heat to loosen the adhesive. Next, secure the new power flex cable on the side of the frame. Next, gently align the logic board on the body. Make sure the antenna cables are properly seated. And then reconnect the top speaker plug. Next, secure the main flex connector and secure the bracket with the screw. and then secure the board by adding screws. Next, connect the rear camera and secure the bracket by adding 5 screws. Finally, reconnect the front camera and secure the bracket with the 6 screws. Next, install the screen assembly to the body. First, secure the LCD plug and then fasten the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, to secure the screen, add B7000 glue or adhesive tape around the frame. Gently slide the screen into place from bottom to the top and press lightly along the edges to secure it. Be gentle in this process. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.